All right, this is Tearing My Heart by 21 Pilots. This is by request, and this is the live version. It's going to start out with a D chord. Kind of hit a D chord every now and again. It kind of gets faster as it goes. The drums start building up, and you get into like a 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's D 3 times. This is F sharp major, 4, 3, 2, 2. You got to bar those twos down here. 2 G chords there. 3, 4. Do this a total of 3 times. Then we're going to hit an A chord. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we hold that for 2 bars. Okay, so we had our build up. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, A. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, then we're into the next part. We're going to have, so we have a G chord, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Then we're going to go 1 and 2 and into the next measure. And then A, 3 and 4 and. So the G and the A, they split that second measure. So it's G for a whole measure, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and then we're going to B minor, 4, 4, 3, 2. Same thing with the full bar, and then the next 2 beats, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and back to the A. And then we're going to have D, full measure to A full measure. Okay, so that's going to be G, 3, 4, 1, 2, A, B minor, 1, 2, A, D, 3, 4, A, 2, 3, 4. And then we're back into that. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. This time we're going to strum 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Strum the 2 bars of your A there. Okay, then we're back into what I call the B section here. This is like the chorus. You got your G, 3, 4, 1, 2, the A, the B minor, 1, 2, A, D, to A. Now this time, the second time through, we're going to go ahead and do all that again. So 3, 4. Now we get into the part of this live version where they vamp this thing and they get into a sing-along with everybody. So they go 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're gonna hit that D chord and stop it. That's called staccato, when you stop your chord real quick. So we have 8 hits of that. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, then we're gonna start a repeating thing and it's gonna go D, D, 4 to 5 on the big string, kind of like bass notes. Back to D 4 times. So it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And we'll repeat that whole section a whole bunch of times. So 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Okay, and that goes for a really, really long time. And when they get to those lyrics that lead into that A chord, you're back in the strumming 2 bars of A. And then we're going to be back to that main riff. But this time we're just going to hit 1 chord each. So it's going to go 3, 4. So the D, F sharp, and G 3 times. And then you got your A strums. Okay, we're back to the chorus then, or what I'm calling the B part, the G chord one. So we're going to have 4 times through of this chorus riff here. The first time we're going to hold the chords. And then you wait those extra 2 beats, go to the A to the B minor. 3, 4, 1, 2, A, D, to the A. And then the next time we're going to strum through them. Okay, third time, also strum them. Let's do it together. 2, 3, 4. 3, 4. 1, 2, the A, B minor. 1, 2, D, A. Now we're gonna hold them again this fourth time. 4, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you could hit the A there, but they kind of stop and everybody sings along that last little thing, and then they end with a D. Okay, so let's look at everything again. We had the build up, where you're kind of just hitting the D chord, holding it. The drums kind of do some fills and you kind of build up. Then they get into like a 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. You got that riff? And 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, and hold the A. Okay, then we got our next part. To the A, B minor. To the A, and then D to A. And then back to our chords riff. 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3. Strum the A. Part B. And on this one we do it again. And then we get into our sing-along vamp. 8 of those, and we go. Okay, we do that all the way up until then we have 1 each there. Strum your A. B part, hold the chords. And then we'll strum them. And we would strum that twice through there, and then the last time we hold them again. And then everybody sings instead of doing the A chord, then you hit a D, and you're all done. Tear in My Heart, 21 Pilots by request, the live version. Hope you all dug that. Got a tab here. Got 3 other 21 Pilots tunes if you want to check them out. Talk to y'all soon.